Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to make a payment using Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. It's incredibly fast and convenient. First, double-check that your debit or credit card is added to the Wallet app on your paired iPhone. Your Apple Watch will mirror these cards. Next, to pay, double-press the side button, the one below the digital crown, on your Apple Watch. This will bring up your default card. Then, hold the face of your Apple Watch a few centimeters away from the contactless payment terminal. You should feel a gentle tap and hear a beep confirming the payment was successful. After that, that's it. You don't even need to unlock your watch or have your iPhone with you. The transaction is secured by the passcode you use for your watch. You can switch cards before paying by scrolling with the digital crown after double-pressing the side button. Enjoy the ease of paying with just a flick of your wrist. If this quick guide got you tapping with your watch, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.